Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by checking prerequisites. iOS is updated and you're unlocked to change settings. Open Settings and tap Notifications. This shows every app's notification page. Turn on Allow Notifications for the apps you need and pick where they show, lock screen, notification center, or banners. Once done, choose banner style and sounds to match urgency, and enable badges if you want unread counts. Make sure to use Deliver quietly for non-essential alerts, so you won't be interrupted unnecessarily. Now refine how notifications behave on a daily basis. Start with Scheduled Summary to gather low-priority alerts at set times. This reduces distractions. Then configure focus modes like Work or Sleep. Pick Allowed apps and contacts so only essential notifications get through. For each app, open its notification page and toggle time-sensitive or critical alerts to prioritize immediate items. Also customize sounds and vibrations so you can tell urgency by feel. By combining, finish by validating your setup. Send test notifications from key apps and confirm they appear where expected, lock screen, banners, sounds, and in the scheduled summary. If something is missing, make sure Do Not Disturb or a focus mode isn't blocking that app. Also recheck the app's Allow Notifications toggle. When problems persist, restart the iPhone first. If the issue continues, reset settings or network settings as a last resort. Then re-enable notification permissions. This often clears stale configuration that blocks alerts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.